Hey guys, still Game of Thrones is here. So today I will be reviewing the Monarch. Monarch 5 ounce and 10 ounce. This Dragon version Viking. That's what I purchased. I purchased one time 10 ounce and then I pick up 3 more of this, and I also purchased 5 ounce 4. Because we are family of 4, so I was thinking, if I want to keep some, present, premium silver, then I wanted to have it in quantity of 4. So let's go into it. So it's a Monarch review today. By the way, I'm not sure why they call it Monarch. Is it because of it is Monarch site? Let me take my paperwork out, and then one coin here. Okay, so let's see what we get. Is it Monarch site or it is? I don't know. I might call it Monarch anyway. So this is a guy. Okay, and I have 2 more here, which I need to unpack. This way and this way. Try to be very careful with them. Okay, and I pick up 1 more coin. We will look into this coin, and I also pick up 4 of these bad guys of 5 ounce coins. Oh, it's even more interesting. They're coming with Upnex. I don't know how to call it. It's like high relief, rounds, right? So we have more of this. So again, we are family of 4. So I wanted to have present for everyone. Okay. So first of all, I am keeping majority of my, generic, like heavy armory. I am keeping in vault, and I'm keeping in such boxes, like this box. But premium silver I keep at home. I don't have, super pooper, to worry, because it's not crazy like amount. But majority of my silver I keep in such, ammo boxes, So this is what I plan to keep also. So this is mine, and I have 3 more. Okay, so let's check them out. Okay. Voila. Yeah, this round is really stand out and is as good as it can be. As good as it can be, and I decided to pick up 4 of them. And by the way, they are sold out, guys. They are sold out. I don't believe they are making them in big quantities, maybe 50, 100. So last time I didn't check the weight, so I want to go ahead and just check the weight. So let's see how much weight it is. Okay. Oh, 0.2. Wow, it's very scarce, right? Scarcity is very good. 10 ounce, exactly. Sorry. 10 ounce. Okay, second. This is my guy. I'm checking. Wow, they're heavy. 0.001. Wow, very precise, very good. Okay, so I have 2 more to verify. Wow, it's even coming, you see, with some pad inside, for protection. I probably keep it here. Good idea, so I can add more. I can add more of this round. Very nice package. And the last, Yeah, it's also came with protective package, you see inside. Very nice. So I'm wondering how my device, how Sigma will verify them. So last time I didn't verify them. I want to see. Okay, I'm going to go silver 999 and run. And I want to see how Sigma will verify them actually. Where I'm in doubt. Oh, wow. Excellent. It's actually able to verify them. Even, yeah, this is site is flat, but I don't think this site will work. Yeah, this side will not work, but this side is more flat. You see, this is why Sigma is able to verify. Wow, it's a good news. Sigma is able to verify even. Okay, so this is 10 ounce. So again, the 10 ounce, what they're talking about, it's 3 inches in diameter and 0.4 inch as the thickness points. On the front we see first the dragon wreaking havoc with its fire. It's really outstanding dragon. On the back it's revealed that this dragon is actually attempting to defend his nest from a horde of Vikings who are stealing the dragon eggs. Very cool piece, very cool piece. I'm excited again, guys, to see them. Okay, so we have 4 pieces here. And here I purchased 5 ounces of silver. It packed even better, you know. They came in. Why they don't do this here? Maybe they cannot find these plastics. I'm not sure what's going on. But the package is very well. Package is very good. I cannot even take it from here. Sorry. Okay. So this piece. Oh, it's so teeny. It looked like so teeny compared to this 10 ounce. So let's take this bad guy out from here. Yeah, very cool. So it's 5 ounce round. And so the referee storytelling round, as there are always 2 sides to a story, and this round continues the story that began with our 10 ounce dragon. Viking silver round. So 10 ounce is the first one in this story, as I already told you. And the second one, on the front we see a fierce Viking warrior with an angry dragon approaching him from behind. You see, we see dragon here, and this is a Viking. On the back it revealed that the Viking dragon, Viking warrior and his men are holding a newly hatched baby dragon as they prepare to defend themselves against the wrath of the mother dragon coming to the rescue of her offspring. Yeah, you see the baby dragon inside and there all around. Wow, that's a very cool piece. Indeed. Very cool piece indeed. And what is the weight here? Supposed to be 5 ounces, right? Yeah, 501. Wow, precise. Very good, precise. And purity. Okay. Yeah, you see, purity is kind of close, but it cannot catch it. It cannot catch it because surface is not so flat. You see, because it's much smaller when you have fiber, and surface is because it's like a sculpture. You see, guys, you see. And I'm up. You can check with Sigma, because Sigma require It's supposed to be really flat, you know. I will play with other worm. I have another device, kind of extension of this Sigma. Yeah, it's very close, you see, but it cannot catch it inside. Cannot catch it inside. Yeah, I believe it's a 5 ounce. It's a pure silver, but it cannot catch it inside. Okay, so very cool piece. A very cool piece. Okay, so what else we have? So I have 4 pieces here and 4 pieces here. And by the way, they are gone, you know. And you know, they still have on eBay, but as you know, as it will be sold, you'll see prices continue to going up and up. So what else I have here? So one more, I have anonymous mint, Blackbird. You know, guys, I am huge fan of anonymous mint, and this is the Blackbird. Yeah, every anonymous mint round is in my collection. Okay, is in my collection. I am huge fan. And if you collect silver, then why you don't collect something fun? You know. Yeah, this is part of my premium collection, Blackbird. I like this, the Blackbird. He was very famous pirate, right? He was very famous pirate. Okay, and the second one I have this 2020 Australian mother and baby kookaburra. So I'll tell you, this kookaburras is not so, you know, collectible. So I have 2018. This is set collection, okay? This is set coin. I have Australian mother baby koala 2018, and I have Australian mother baby crocodile 2019. Okay, I'll put pictures here, you know, so you can see. But you know, they are not so collectible, and till today I see them on eBay $47, where you buy this for $45, you understand? So eBay like $3-4 more, you know. So you know, I sold them when it was a little bit spark. I sold them like $50, and yeah, maybe I'll buy again, because now I see it's collectible, you know, because I have this collection, you know, going on. So it's a third coin in this collection. So it's really cool. I like it most, you know, because between this all this mother and baby, you know, crocodile and koala, and you know, like a mother. That's very cool coin. And this ugly, you know, face and behind. Okay, so this what I want to share with you guys, and you know, Monarch will be like 50 ounce, like a good present, right? When you have this combination, I want everyone hold it, and who knows, maybe, you know, it will be the biggest of biggest, you know, in his life, you know, present. Who knows what will happen with precious metal? But as far I can buy today in, you know, some relatively cheaper price, you know, maybe next year it will be double, you know, who knows. So I am thinking last days where I can put my money, and I just don't know, because I have enough of 999 silver, and I am just trying to diversificate my my precious metals, and I try to put into maybe like pieces like this, you know, which are beautiful. Let's keep them open, both, and let's look on both of them from close, like this, you know. Wow, that's a really gracious. That's a very nice pieces, you know, especially when you keep them together. And who knows what will happen, you know, like so nice pieces. Maybe you're not able to buy them, guys. Maybe it will come to some territory when they will cost $1,000, you know. And today, you know, like I like Silver 5150 stories when he's talking about like future, you know, like you're going to buy a car, or you're just flying around, and you know, oh, you have this silver, okay, I can buy it, Sigma, I can verify it, you know. Yeah, when you can buy a car for, you know, 10 ounces of silver. Yeah, I believe we are coming there, you know, sooner or later. So these pieces will be my collection, and it will be like, you know, in my family, I think they will find what to do with them, you know. So it's good to have something valuable, you know. When you have something valuable, you know, you can give to your kids some valuable, you know, pieces like this, not some fancy, you know, fiat dollars, you know, which will cost nothing, you know. This is like something to give them, you know, especially silver 999. Okay guys, so I already talking 15 minutes, don't want to talk more, so keep stacking, and put your comments what you stack last days, you know, how you're doing, and what's going on with you guys, and hit this notification bell, and let's make it enjoyable like I try to do. Okay guys, thank you very much, bye bye, see you again, Trot is out.